Hello everyone. Today let's discuss a mechanic question from 2024 A-level exam from Edexcel. So as you can see in this question, I twisted the numbers a little bit. But you should be able to finish all the questions, not just past exam paper questions, because the exact same question will never appear again in the future exams. And you can see the figure shows a speed time graph or model of a motion of an athlete running a 200-meter race in 25 seconds. The athlete starts from rest at time equals 0 and accelerate at a constant rate, reaching a speed of 9 meters per second at t equals 5. Then it moves on constant speed of 9 meters per second from t equals 5 to t equals 15, basically 10 seconds. It maintained the constant speed. Then decelerate at a constant rate from t equals 15 to t equals 25, crossing the finish line with the speed u meter per second. And then you need to use the model, find acceleration of the athlete during the first 5 seconds of the race, and stating the unit of your answer. So let's solve this first part of the question first. We know the initial velocity is 0, and we know the final velocity between the first 5 seconds period is 9 meters per second. Then we also know t equals 5. We can now choose the correct formula, v equals u plus at, to find out the acceleration. So namely, 9 equals 0 plus 5a. Therefore, we can find out a equals 9 over 5. And if I write in decimal, it's 1.8 meters per second squared. Remember, this question asks you to give the correct unit. So if you don't write meter per second squared, you won't have that mark. Okay, now part B. Find the distance covered by the athletes during the first 15 seconds of the race. So first 15 seconds, we need to calculate the area covered by the first 15 seconds under the straight lines, and that is the shape of a trapezium. So we need to find out the area of that trapezium. That is the distance covered is the top bit is 15, take away 5 is 10. And then the bottom bit, of course, is 15. Then this need to add together, divide by 2 times the height of the trapezium, which is 9 meters per second. So now if we calculate this, we have 112.5 meters. That is how long the athlete covered in the first 15 seconds of the race. Now, finally, question C, you need to find the value of u. Remember that since in the first 15 seconds, the athlete has covered 112.5 meters, we need to find out what is the distance left for the athlete to cover. That we use 200 meters. If you read the question, you should know this important information, 200 meters, and take away the distance has been already covered, which gives us 87.5 meters. That is distance actually in the, if I choose different color, in this trapezium. Okay, that is distance of this trapezium. We have the distance or the area of the trapezium, and we can use that information. And on the right hand side, we can use the area of the trapezium, which the sum of the two parallel sides, which is 9 plus u over 2, and times the height, which is 25, take away 15, 10 seconds. So we know that is 5 times 9 plus u and 87.5. That next step, if we divide by 5 to both sides of the equation, we have 17.5 equals 9 plus u. Then we can find out u is 17.5 take away 9, which gives us 8.5 meter per second. So that is the way that you find out the solution of this question. And so to the real exam question, all through all the variations of this type of questions. So I hope you understand the solution. Enjoy the video and see you in the next.